transfers high-voltage current to spark plugs, ensuring ignition, smooth engine performance, and efficiency. Today's video is about top 5 best car spark plug wires that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at A Premium Car Spark Plug Wires. This A Premium Spark Plug Wire set is a reliable replacement option designed for a wide range of GM V8 vehicles, including Chevrolet Silverado, Tahoe, Suburban, GMC Sierra, Yukon, Cadillac Escalade, and Hummer H2 models. Its broad compatibility makes it a practical choice for owners of older and modern V8 engines, provided proper fitment is confirmed. Built to deliver consistent ignition performance, these wires help ensure efficient voltage transfer from the ignition system to the spark plugs, supporting smooth engine operation, better combustion, and improved overall performance. The design is focused on durability, making it suitable for demanding driving conditions and long-term use. With multiple reference number matches, it offers easy cross-compatibility for replacement needs. The inclusion of a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty adds extra confidence in quality and reliability. Overall, it is a dependable ignition wire set that provides stable performance, broad vehicle coverage, and good long-term value for V8 engine maintenance. Now our second product is NGK Car Spark Plug Wires. This spark plug wire set offers a solid upgrade focused on reliable ignition performance and durability. The variable pitch winding design helps reduce resistance, delivering a stronger and more consistent spark while also minimizing EMI/RFI interference for smoother engine operation. Installation is made easier thanks to clearly numbered wires for cylinder identification and color-coded coil leads, helping ensure correct and hassle-free setup. The positive locking stainless steel terminal ends provide a secure connection, resisting vibration and preventing separation over time. Durability is another strong point. The high-temperature silicone outer jacket can withstand extreme heat above 250 degrees Celsius (482 degrees Fahrenheit), while also resisting moisture, oil, fuel exposure, and cracking. This makes it suitable for tough engine environments and long-term use. Overall, it is a dependable ignition wire set that combines easy installation, strong electrical performance, and high heat resistance for improved engine reliability and smooth operation. Our third product is NGK Car Spark Plug Wires. This 4-wire spark plug wire set is designed to deliver reliable ignition performance and long-lasting durability. The variable pitch winding helps reduce resistance, producing a stronger and more efficient spark while also minimizing EMI/RFI interference for smoother engine operation. Installation is straightforward thanks to numbered wires for easy cylinder identification and color-coded coil leads, which help ensure correct setup without confusion. The positive locking stainless steel terminals provide a secure and corrosion-resistant connection, reducing the risk of vibration-related loosening or separation. Built for harsh conditions, the high-temperature silicone outer jacket can withstand extreme heat above 250 degrees Celsius (482 degrees Fahrenheit), while also resisting moisture, oil, fuel, and cracking caused by temperature changes. This makes it suitable for demanding engine environments. Overall, this set offers a strong balance of easy installation, dependable spark delivery, and durable construction, making it a solid choice for maintaining engine performance and reliability. Now number 4, NGK Car Spark Plug Wires. This 2-wire spark plug set is built for reliable ignition performance and durability. The variable pitch winding reduces resistance, delivering a strong, consistent spark while minimizing EMI/RFI interference for smoother engine operation. Installation is simple and accurate thanks to numbered wires and color-coded coil leads, helping ensure correct cylinder placement. The positive locking stainless steel terminals provide a secure, corrosion-resistant connection that resists vibration and prevents separation over time. The high-temperature silicone outer jacket is designed to handle extreme conditions, withstanding heat above 250 degrees Celsius (482 degrees Fahrenheit) while resisting moisture, oil, fuel, and cracking from temperature changes. This ensures long-lasting performance in tough engine environments. Overall, it offers dependable spark delivery, easy installation, and strong durability, making it a practical choice for maintaining stable engine performance and efficiency. And our last choice is MSD Car Spark Plug Wires. This spark plug wire set is a versatile and customizable option designed for users who need flexibility in installation. The extra-long 8.5mm wires allow you to cut them to your desired length, making it suitable for a wide range of engine configurations and custom setups. The IT comes complete with both socket-style and spark plug-style boots and terminals, providing compatibility with different connection types. The included mini stripper crimper adds convenience, allowing for easier and more precise installation without needing extra tools, with multiple pre-cut wire lengths, 2x56 inch, 2x50, 2x42, 2x32, plus a 32 coil wire. It offers excellent coverage for different cylinder layouts and engine sizes. Overall, this set is a practical choice for DIY mechanics and professionals alike, offering flexibility, complete installation accessories, and reliable customization for ignition wire replacement or upgrades. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.